Hello, and welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what compression is and how it relates to the music we make. Compression is a fundamental tool used in audio production. It reduces the dynamic range of your audio, meaning it narrows the gap between the loudest and the quietest parts of a track. Why use compression? It helps leveling out a track, making the quiet parts sound more audible and preventing the loud sounds from peaking. The result is a more balanced and consistent sound. Understanding key parameters when using compression is crucial. Let's go over some of the parameters. The threshold sets the level where the compression starts. The ratio determines how much compression is applied. The attack adjusts how quickly the compression begins. The release controls how quickly it stops. And makeup gain compensates for the volume reduced by compression. Let's see this in action. Here's a drum track. Notice how applying the compression evens out the performance? Remember, compression is a powerful tool, and when used wisely, it can bring life and clarity to your mix. Make sure you experiment with different settings to find out what works best for your sound. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.